Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do a video on how I do my mom's hair. Her hair is looking like kind of nappy and she's gonna dye it. Well, I'm gonna dye it for her and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also, I will be using Wella. That's like my favorite brand to use on my hair and on my sister's hair and my mom's hair. I'm usually the one that does their hair, so yeah, let's get right to the video. So this is how my mom's hair looks. It looks very brassy. It's already like done with the red color and her roots were already growing out. It was time to do it, so it looked very horrible and her roots were already growing out. This is the color that I will be using, the Wella 5N in light brown, and she's going to look amazing after this. These are some of the products that I will be using so I could mix everything and just get her hair color ready. So I mixed 2 bottles of Wella color and I put it in the bowl. This is how the color looks after it comes out of the bottle. It's supposed to look like around this color, and yeah. So now I'm mixing up the developer with the color, and again this is volume 20 and I do 50% of color and then I do 50% developer, and I just mix as much as I need just in case my mom needs like more color around her hair. So now it's time to mix all of this up. I used the end of a brush so I could just mix it. I had a mixer but I lost it, so this is what I have to do now. And I sped it up so you guys don't see me spin all of this. It kind of takes some time. So it should end up looking like this. Like it shouldn't have any bubbles. It should look like you're about to make some pancakes with this. Sorry if I got you guys hungry, but it's supposed to look around like this. So nice. So this is me brushing my mom's hair. I accidentally brushed it too hard. Like I pulled her hair. That's why she was jumping up and down. Her hair is like sensitive. Like she's tender-headed. So yeah, that hurt her. And so I decided to use a comb instead so it would be a little bit more gentle. And her hair was super dry. Like it was super like it felt super horrible. And it was kind of hard to brush it with the other brush, but this was better, and obviously she didn't jump with this because I wasn't really pulling her hair. So I separated her hair. We're gonna start from the bottom and then head to her roots because we want to be safe while dyeing it at home. And so it took me a long time, so here's the finished process of after me putting on the hair color. And obviously it's a mess because when you do it at home it's a mess. It's nothing compared to a salon. So to get rid of the brassiness, I told my mom to use this after she finishes like with the color 45 minutes after she gets in the shower, to use the shampoo, the No Orange shampoo from Fanola. So it could get rid of the brassiness, and it doesn't matter if she's not blonde, if she's going brown. It's always good to tone the hair like after it's done. So after the shampoo, I told her to use this ion mask. It's for the hair and it repairs basically the hair that looks really damaged, and it makes it like more moisturized. And this is a super good mask. It doesn't matter if it's not like salon brand or whatever. Ion is a pretty good brand. I really like it, and this really helped my mom's hair because like again it was super dry and horrible. It looked like she could just chop off like 3 to 4 inches, but this will save your hair if you leave it in like for 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, she's like supposed to wash it off, and then her hair will look really good and hydrated. So this mask really did like a miracle on her hair. So after I dried her hair, I'm going to straighten it, and I'm obviously gonna put some heat protector by Acai. This isn't the best one, but I had to put some heat protector on her hair so it doesn't burn. And yeah, so now I'm brushing her hair with my sister's LOL hairbrush. It's a pretty good hairbrush. I like the detangler from the LOL, not the LOL, from the wet brush collection. So I will be straightening my mom's hair with the ion straightener. This straightener heats up really quick. It's a really good straightener. It's also ceramic. So the next thing that I will do is I'll put some edge fixer on her, so it could like hold her hair, like, cause she had a lot of flyaway hairs, and I also wanted to try it, like, because I really got this edge fixer, and I'm loving this edge fixer. Like, this is not sponsored. I really like it because it holds all the flyaway hairs, and the hair just looks really really nice, and it also smells super good. It smells like strawberry. Love that. And a little bit goes a long way. So this is how my mom's hair ended up looking. It looks so amazing. Like, I can't even believe like I did that. Like, I don't even have a cosmetology license. I don't have nothing, but it looks super shiny and beautiful, and I'm still like, wow. Like, it looks super nice. And it looks really healthy and shiny. And what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below.